Alright, good people. We finna run a late one. And what I'm gonna do before I get out here on this road is let's do some double checking. You know what I'm saying? So, I wanna take y'all out here with me while I do a double check. I'm getting loaded up. Cause y'all always see something crazy in trucking. So, this is for my new guys and my veterans. Since I seen that guy I wanna always make sure everything's on point. Let me grab my gloves. Since I seen that guy pull off, and I don't know if he did that tug test or what. Remember to always do a tug test, always. Always make sure that fire extinguisher is full. You never know, going down the mountains, you might have to use that guy. You know what I'm saying? I want to always make sure that fire extinguisher is full. And when I'm getting loaded, I take that brake line off. Just because. Basically what I was doing right there is just making sure that fifth wheel was locked. Definitely make sure your hood is locked, because after leaving any of these truck washes, you know, they be trying to get you out there for the next truck, so you want to make sure those are locked as well. Also, there's some strange and crazy stuff going on out here on this road. Just never know. I was watching a YouTube video the other day and seen this one cat working at Western Express and get a dog sick on him, man. What the hell kind of shit is that when a man got his hands up? Well, he did the right thing. He called in and let him know that he felt in danger for his life. Because with all the stuff that's going on today, you know, you feel like that, but you never know the conditions of why shit happen the way it happens. But me personally, I ain't taking no chance. I would have pulled over and raised my hands up too. Got down on my knees, but when you complying and an officer still sick an animal on your own, know what to say about that. That sounds like some straight damn injustice. So, but these times we living in is bananas. Humanity ain't showing no love.